Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom, and the market is actually helping matters, especially the Fetch AI price chart looking really fantastic. So basically 3 months ago, I came out with a prediction here on Fetch AI. I was saying that we are actually headed to $4.80 by March. That was my timeline, right? And I'm really happy to tell you that I'm actually even much more confident of that analysis. We are going to be talking about that in today's video, right? But before we do that, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread this video by delicately tapping the like button. It just helps the YouTube algorithm, and people looking for Fetch AI updates will now be able to see this video much more easily. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, I would encourage you to do so, really, because I do TA on Fetch AI and a number of altcoins on a regular basis, right? So let's quickly jump into the price chart and right out of the gates, what we were talking about then and what we are still seeing on the price chart is that we have had like 5 waves to the upside here. So that's wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And according to early 12 theory, what you are actually supposed to expect is a big ABC correction. Lucky enough, we don't have to go through that anymore. We already have an ABC correction here. As complicated as it may look, this is just a mere ABC correction right there. And then the next thing is obviously the most exciting thing, right? Because now we are starting another 5 waves to the upside. So this already is your wave 1. This is your wave 2 here. We are looking into wave 3 right now, wave 4 obviously, and then wave 5. Basically, when I was making the video last year, that's 3 months ago, I was saying that you know what, we are due to set a new all-time high here because you know, just according to early 12 theory, you are supposed to break above the previous high there, right, in wave 3. So we are really looking fantastic there. And the good thing is that the third wave is usually the most exciting one. It may look like it's coming to an end right now, just because, I mean, some people are a little bit late to Fetch AI, but I can tell you that there is still a lot of room to grow to the upside. So basically the model that we were using was this cup and hand formation that you actually see here, right? And you can actually see we had a very nice back test here. I really hope somebody bought this because we talked about it actually. And then the next big price target that you are actually looking at is usually there are 2 ways to approach it, right? So you take the depth of this cup right here, or you can just go with the depth of the handle right here. But if you want to be as bullish as possible, just go with the depth of the cup right there, and you can actually see that it's taking you to prices which are like $5 thereabout. That was my initial price target, saying that, you know what, by the time we get to March and towards the end of March, we are actually going to be seeing prices which are really close to $5. $4.80 was the specific price target that we were looking for. So let's see how that prediction goes. But according to this pattern here, we are actually looking very good. I apologize for interjecting, but I wanted to share with you this news that we have got a Patreon in which we are taking a lot of trades, right? And to be honest with you, we really have been doing fantastic. These are some of the trades that we have taken recently, and we have actually registered a lot of wins, right? So it's just $5 per month. Feel free to join if you will. But just getting back to Fetch AI, I also wanted to show you another model that we have been using to kind of predict that $5 mark right there. And what you basically see is that there is actually a rally that is happening right here. So you see a very big rally, and then what eventually happens is that you have a crash here, and then you go into retrace mode, and then you go into reaccumulation right there, right? And then you're out of the reaccumulation, you're looking for higher price targets. Now this is really one of the most bullish structures that I can actually see in this market, right? Unfortunately, not a lot of people talk about it because they just haven't taken time to look around the markets, right? So usually when stuff like this happens, you are almost guaranteed actually a full extension, right, of the Fibonacci retracement tool right there. So you will now be taking a look at the full Fibonacci extension right there. That's the 4.236 Fibonacci extension level. It's coming into confluence with the $5 mark right there, right? $4.80, $5.10, whatever the case may be. It's just a region in any case. So it's looking very good right there. But if you are looking for examples, obviously I can just go ahead and show you a similar structure right there. Take a look at this. You have got a massive run right here. You crash, obviously you get into your retrace, you reaccumulate one more time. Take a look at where you actually eventually head to. So grabbing the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very top again to the very bottom of that structure there, you can actually see that it was around that 4.236 Fibonacci extension level right there. This was the example of Neo coin back then in something like 2017 right there. But we also see the same thing really even with Bitcoin. Take a look at this. You have got a massive rally here, right? See this rally, you crash, obviously you retrace, you get into reaccumulation, and then boom, you go and get to that 4.236 Fibonacci extension level, right? Same thing here with XRP. Basically you see that you are actually experiencing a huge rally here. Let me grab that thing nice and easy, right? Huge rally here, and then obviously you crash, you get into retrace mode, a massive reaccumulation that happens here. Now take a look at where the price also goes, right? So from the very top, grabbing your fib retracement to, again, top to bottom, you can actually see that right around that 4.236 fib extension level is where you usually head out to. So Fetch having the same structure here is something that is fantastic. Basically, these are the two models that we have, and we are looking for that $4.80 mark to see what really happens with Fetch AI. Obviously, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't buy or sell anything because of anything I say, alright? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and then I'll have to see you on the very next one. Take really, really good care of yourselves. Bye.